Types of tablet coating. Why is tablet coating done? Tablet coating is done to improve appearance, masks taste, protects active ingredients, controls drug release, and enhances patient compliance and product performance. Film coating. Thin polymer film applied using a coating pan and precision spray guns. Second one is sugar coating. In this, multiple layers of sugar syrup are applied to the tablet. Third one is enteric coating, a specialized coating designed to resist dissolution in the acidic environment of the stomach and dissolve in the intestine. It protects acid-sensitive drugs, prevents gastric irritation, and enables targeted drug release in the intestinal tract. Fourth one is modified release coating, a specialized coating designed to control the rate and timing of drug release, providing a prolonged therapeutic effect, reducing dosing frequency, and improving patient compliance. Fifth one is functional coating, a specialized coating that provides benefits beyond appearance, such as protection against moisture and light, improved stability, taste and odor masking, and enhanced swallowability. Sixth is compression coating, a dry coating process in which a layer of powder is compressed around a tablet core, making it ideal for moisture-sensitive drugs. Seventh, gelatin coating, a thin gelatin layer applied to tablets to improve appearance, enhance swallowability, and increase patient acceptance and compliance.
Upgrade your tablet coating process today. Achieve smoother coatings, improved efficiency, and consistent product quality with our ABG, ABGS, and ABH precision tablet coating spray guns.
Contact us today for high-quality coating spray gun. Mican Engineers, your partner in industrial spray solutions.